Okay, so I've just got this simple little loop here, and I want to explain subtractive arrangement. This is a very common technique. You've probably heard of it before, but if you haven't, this quick video will help you out. So what happens if you're stuck in the loop trap and you've got a great loop and you're excited about it, but you just can't get out? You can't get out. This approach will help you, especially if you make loop-centric genres like house, techno, that kind of thing. It doesn't work as well for more, I don't know what the word would be, compositional, pop-centric genres like future bass, which rely more on the progression of ideas. So basically, we'll take our loop. Here it is. And we will just duplicate this out to, let's say, 5 minutes, however long we want our song to be. And as soon as we've done this, it's like, cool, well, no one's going to listen to a track that does the same thing for 5 minutes. So we need to break this up a little bit. So to begin with, we might think, well, at 32 bars, I want everything to come in. Well, maybe not everything. Maybe I'll have... do something like that, right? So now we have this progression. And in that case, I don't want everything in my intro. I don't want the bass line coming in until the chorus, but maybe we'll have it fade in. So I can do something like this. I'd probably use a high pass filter for this if I was really working on this song. So anyway, moving on. I probably don't want the full kick coming in until maybe bar 9. Don't want this loop coming until later. Maybe over here, remove a couple of kicks to add tension. You get the idea. So you would just do this throughout your arrangement, subtracting from your initial loop to create a song. Now, if you get stuck with this, again, use a reference track. Pull in a song that sounds similar. Analyze what they're doing. Where is their breakdown? How long is their intro for? Copy it. No one's going to know. And yeah, that's pretty straightforward. What I recommend doing, though, is taking wide brush strokes first and then moving into the more micro kind of stuff. So at the moment, I'm kind of just like looking at this from a bird's eye view and going, yeah, you know, I don't want my kick or bass to be here. But then after you've done all that, you want to kind of get in a little bit closer and go, well, I'll remove the 4 kicks here to add some tension. You know what? Maybe I'll remove the bass here as well, just to add some more tension. So you get the idea. Or maybe I'll kind of fade this in. Remove the kick here. Maybe double this one up. So move from the macro, the bird's eye view, to the micro, the smaller stuff. Again, great strategy, this subtractive arrangement, for if you've got a loop that you like, you're making a genre that is quite loop heavy, like techno, tech house. Give it a go. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, happy producing.